I am so excited to be here in Surf City, USA, to reveal the three-row ID bus, our modern microbus. It was designed with North America in mind, and it will go on sale in North America next year. It is already an international icon, and today we're also celebrating the first ever International Volkswagen Bus Day. And it's no coincidence that we chose June 2nd. It's in honor to the bus' original name, the Type 2. It's a celebration of just not all the new ID bus, but also the rich history that brought it here. Just look around you. It seems everyone has their own bus story, including me. The Combi, as it's known in Brazil, was a very popular model in Brazil. And I remember like it is today, my two young sons, my two beautiful boys, being picked up in São Paulo by a Combi school bus every morning. It was so colorful, painting in the colors of the Brazilian flag. I love that my boys started each day with such energy, thanks to that Combi. And it was the bus that has always represented me, a love for the VW brand, and that's what it inspires. And as you can see all around us, in the vehicle and in the people who drove them here, the bus inspires connection and community, a sense of wonder and possibility, from generation to generation. And over the decades, it has been there as the official vehicle of the music makers and the dreamers of dreams. Just imagine how different the world would be if they missed the bus. From the surfing culture born on the shores behind me, to the counterculture born at Woodstock. Phil Knight saw his first shoes from the back of his bus. Steve Jobs saw his bus to start a computer company that you might have heard of. And of course, the Jenkins used their bus to advance the civil rights movements. And today, we pass the torch to the next generation. The ID bus is the motor version of the microbus, reimagined for the electric future. Practical, sustainable, packaged in a fun way that is a classic Volkswagen. And it will once again become our brand hero in America. And when it goes in sale next year, the ID bus will be part of our strong and growing EV lineup in the US and in Canada. It all began with our popular ID.4 SUV. And then in April, we announced our all-electric sedan, the ID.7, which will also hit our leaderships in 2024. And this three-year represents our commitment to Volkswagen's goal to be net carbon neutral by 2050, selling only EVs in the US by 2035. People in Europe love the ID bus, and that love carries on in North America. There's nothing else like it on the road. The three-row ID bus has been designed with the North American consumer in mind. It's longer, has more horsepower, a bigger battery, and a third row seat. Just look inside. And when you remove that third row, there's plenty of room for surfboards, skis, footballs, or even camping equipment. Enough for my family of four to have fun anywhere. Our North America three-row ID bus has 282 horsepower for rear drive versions, and we expect the all-wheel drive models to have 330 horsepower. And inside, the ID bus is packed with a bunch of upgrades, like a stunning 13-inch infotainment screen and available features such as a breathtaking panoramic roof. And like many of the most iconic microbuses, there's a great range of two-tone color schemes, including this blue and white one that has a perfect beach bus vibe. And for North America, we have this giant VW logo, just like the original bus. And now, that logo is illuminated. Thank you to all of you. And now, Thomas will join me on stage for a quick photo, and then we look forward to celebrating with all of you around the ID bus. Please enjoy the first ever.